Oh, no tenemos esos botellitas, brother.
Hey, there's
De
water
agua.
bottles. There's water bottles over there. By that little
It's
fridge.
all off the whole building?
Yeah. There's water bottles over there.
Dem- Aquí vamos a echar un almuercito, pero mucho jale para un vato solo. ¿Ya le preguntaste? Sí, pues nomás ir a levantar. Oh, pues juntos. Juntos. Míralo. Oh. Oh, ok. Why? Oh, open an account. Oh, they give you a check right away, like a provisional or something like that, like a little bit of checks. When you open an account.
No, he's talking about from work. Because he closed his account.
Oh.
He, brother. No, I don't deal with chickens.
Ah, okay. I thought you. Oh. But today.
I close that account. And that's it over here, too. Fucking Monday, check it. Fucking deposit over there, Yoki's. The cloud and the
So you better do something right away.
That's what I'm saying. I'm leaving today.
Well, go now.
He wants to eat first.
Hungry. You lunch it?
Yeah. I have lunch if you want. Yeah. I never trust. I bring my lunch. And I already ate too.
Cambio, bro.
¿Necesita o qué?
No, tengo un chequecito over at the house. I got cash on the account. I don't want to go there and go around $100 to go cash a check over there at
Oh, yeah.
El Mesquite. That's just a 190 match. They're not bad.
I never see it. I'm just kidding, I see it.
Oh yeah, every once in a while.
How much you got? Oh, that one right there, 188. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, it only has one side.
I feel like I'm Martha Stewart or something teaching a cooking class.
What was it called, that one?
Do you want to say something
Hi.
to your public?
I'm gonna be stuck up there on Wait, you're gonna haul dirt from one side to the other?
Yeah, let's go.
Can't they just scoop
I
it?
don't know, I get the loaders.